Here's how to fix Roblox voice chat option not showing up. So first you gotta open Roblox and then go to more, then account settings, then account info, and make sure your account is using valid data and it has a verified email, and you also should verify your age. This is very important because um, people under 13 years old are not allowed to use voice chat, so you gotta verify your age using a valid ID card to prove that you're over 13. And make sure you also verify your phone number. This option might not appear in here, so we'll need to go back to the mobile app and go to account settings. Then under account info, you should see the option to verify your phone after finishing the age verification. And then after that, we go back to Roblox PC and then go to more settings, and then under privacy and content maturity, we should go to communication and you should see a voice chat option here. If you should click on it and enable it like this. And then that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.